The A letter is the parent of all letters. Yes, because A is the first letter of alphabet. The A letter is also the best value symbol. Our design is inspired by the shape of A letter. This house design consists of two main parts. The first is a straight section. The second is a curved section. The straight parts in this house we use as a living room. The back is used for kitchen area. In the middle of the A letter, there is a round hole. And then, in the design of this house, the hole is used for garden in the middle of the house. In the lower arch, we use it as a bedroom. I use it for two bedrooms. Each bedroom directly facing the middle garden of the house. I still have a space in the back of the room, precisely in the next kitchen area. We use this space for the third bedroom, so this house will have three bedrooms. For the lover of A letter, they will very love this house design.